guys, welcome back to my channel Abonwada Biafra. In today's video I'm gonna be talking about vowel dropping in Igbo language. So if you're joining me for the first time, you're highly welcome. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. Okay, so I'm gonna be teaching about vowel dropping in this video. It's gonna be short anyway. Okay, so vowel dropping happens when two different words are next to each other. Okay, and the first vowel is dropped and ignored. Okay, so that means when two words are near each other, the last vowel in the first word and the first vowel in the first vowel in the next word, okay, is what we are talking about here. So the first vowel will be dropped, okay, and we will leave the second vowel, okay. That's the first vowel in the next word, okay. So that's what I'm trying to say here, okay. Vowel dropping can occur into different places, okay. It can occur into places. One is when na, N-A, that's na, ni, a, is used as a preposition, okay. And when you are trying to combine two small words to form a compound word, okay. When you want to combine two small words to form a compound word, okay, so you can drop one of the vowels, okay, in between the two, okay. Okay, the first one, you drop the first one. Normally you drop the first one, okay, and leave the beginning of the next word, okay. So I'll be showing you shortly, okay. So another thing is that you can only remove a from the na, okay, and replace it with an apostrophe only when na comes right before a word that begins with a vowel. If the word is not having vowel, you cannot you cannot drop the a in the na, okay. If it's not having vowel, the next word is not having vowel at the beginning, you cannot drop the na, okay. So very important, okay. So you can only put that when the next is having, the beginning is having a vowel, okay. So and you can only do this when na, okay. Two things: when na is acting as a preposition in a sentence. So when na is acting as a preposition in a sentence, you can drop a, okay. But if it's not a preposition, it's not a preposition in a sentence, you cannot drop the vowel, you cannot drop anything, okay. So very important. So you can only do this with when it's a preposition, okay. So I'll be teaching you about preposition in another video. So let's go straight and see the vowel dropping, okay. The preposition, you know what is preposition. I will teach you in another video, okay. In preposition is in, top, on top, above, okay, beside, inside, on, beside, under, okay. So in Igbo language, inside is naime, So you cannot leave it like this, it's wrong, okay. because it's a preposition. Okay, so na ime, that's you must drop the first one. We call this the first one. This is second vowel. Okay, at the beginning of this ime. Okay, so we drop the first vowel and put apostrophe. Okay, that is what is happening here. Okay, you can see nelu, n'akụkụ, n'okpuru. Okay, we remove the na, the a here. We remove the a here. Under is akụkụ, okpuru. Under is okpuru. So we remove the a here and put apostrophe. Okay, we drop this a. Okay, you drop when it's a preposition. Very important. Okay, in is preposition also. So I will teach you about preposition. So once na, and na is only used as a preposition in Igbo language. Na, okay, but not all the na. Is when na is acting as a preposition that you can put this apostrophe. So you must check properly if it's not a preposition inside, on that, under, beside. That's akoko. Beside is akoko, n'akụkụ. Under is na oburu. On is n'elu. Inside is na ime. Okay, n'ime, n'elu, n'akụkụ, n'okpuru. Okay, so if it's not like that, you cannot, if it's not a preposition, you cannot drop anything. Okay, it's very important. Okay, like example here. Okay, he is going to market. Ona aga ahia. You see, I didn't drop why? Now here is not a preposition. This is a verb. Aga, going is verb. It's a verb. Okay, going. He is going to market. Going is aga. Okay, here in this sentence. Okay, naga. Okay, going. Okay, so it's a verb here, naga. So what do you do? Once it's a verb, you have this. You must put this mark here. Okay, you must put this dash here. So that's how to know. So many people don't know why some sentences are having this mark. Okay, okay, so you must, if it's a verb, you must put this here. Okay, in between. Okay, but if it's a preposition, if it's a preposition, you drop the a. Okay, because there is a vowel here and there is a vowel here. So if it's in a preposition, you drop. Okay, but since it's not a preposition, it's a verb. Here is a verb. So all verb in Igbo language is having this. Okay, so I will teach you about this later. Okay, so another example is me and you. Mo na gi. Okay, me and you. Na is here, but na here is not a preposition. Okay, you can see what I'm talking about. It's not a preposition. Okay, so you cannot, though it's not possible anyway, because na, this gi, me, mo na gi, gi also is not having preposition at the beginning, and is not having vowel at the beginning. Okay, if it's having vowel at the beginning, also you cannot do anything here, because you cannot put apostrophe, you cannot drop this a, because this is not a preposition. Na here is a conjunction, it's not a preposition. Okay, so you cannot do anything here. Okay, but you see I'm not dropping anything. Mụ na gị, me and you. Okay, so it's like that. So this hyphen is very important in all the verb, all the na with verb. Okay, if a naga, if it's a verb, you must put this hyphen. I will teach you in another video that this dash. Okay, dash. Okay, that's hyphen. Okay, so okay, so very important. Okay, another this is number one, where you can drop a vowel. Okay, so number two is a compound word, when you want to form a compound word. Okay, when you want to form a compound word, you know, like family is a compound word, because in Igbo is a ezina ulo. Ezina ulo. You can see that this na here and o, they are vowels. Okay, a and o, they are vowels. So we need to drop, because this is a preposition. Now here is a preposition. In the house, remember, in is a preposition. Okay, in, on. Okay, they are preposition. In the house, no law, in the house. Okay, so we need to put apostrophe and drop a. Okay, so but what we are trying to do here is a compound word. So what you are going to, you still drop a. Okay, and put it ezina instead of ezina ulo. We remove this a and make it no law. Okay, ezi, no, we drop a. Okay, that's another place you can drop a. Okay, so playground or playing ground or playground. Okay, ama egwuregwu, ama egwuregwu, ama egwuregwu is a playground or playing ground. Okay, ama egwuregwu. So as a compound word, when you want to like put them together like I did here, because English words have this compound words. In the English also there is something they call compound words, just like this, play and the ground. Okay, mix together, playing and ground, or play and ground, and mixing together. Okay, they have it in English. Okay, they call it compound words as well. Okay, so very important that you know. Okay, so how do you mix to form a compound? Ama egwuregwu. So you mix it, you put it here like this. Ama egwuregwu, ame. Okay, you drop a. Okay, there is a vowel here, there is a vowel here. Okay, the end of the first word and the beginning of the second word. Okay, so you drop the first one. Remember, we say you drop the first one. So when you drop, it becomes ame egwuregwu. You remove this a, it become ame egwuregwu. Okay, ame egwuregwu. Okay, so this is how to drop a vowel. Okay, this is how to drop a vowel when it comes to a compound words. Okay. Okay, like bitter cola. Aku ilu. Aku ilu is bitter cola. So you drop this o and get akilu, because this is o is a vowel, this is e is a vowel. So you drop this. Okay, but when what is here is not vowel, you don't drop anything. Okay, like in this case, assuming nagi Mo nagi. Assuming you want to form a compound with this nagi, you don't need to drop anything because there's no vowel here. Okay, like you call it nagi, nagi, assuming there's something like that. Okay, I'm just giving you example. Nagi. Okay, if there's something like that. Okay, so you don't need to remove anything. So it's like that. Okay, so but once most of them are having vowel at the beginning, at the end, and at the beginning. Okay, most of them of words in Igbo language. Okay, so you must drop one. Okay, when you drop O, it become akilu. Okay, akilu. So this is a compound word. Okay, ethnic pot, ethnic pot. That's ite aja, ite aja. So A is a vowel, A is a vowel. So you drop this first one, it become ite aja. Okay, ite aja. So this is a vowel dropping. Okay, so naturally ezinụlọ. Okay, I showed you already. Okay, so this is vowel dropping in Igbo language. Okay, so thumbs up, like my video, introduce my video to your friends. Please share this video with students in Biafra land, okay, so that they will know that they have this kind of opportunity, okay, of learning Central Igbo language. Okay, so I'll be teaching you a lot, maybe a lot of things like noun, pronoun, preposition in this grammar stuff. Okay, in the subsequent videos. So please introduce this video, this channel to your friends, and God will bless you as you do so. Okay, so keep watching. Okay, God bless you. See you in the next video. Okay, bye.